So here we have someone with long waist length hair. Stylist has the scissors and begins to cut. And he continues to go even shorter. It looks like she's doing a pixie cut for this one. Oh, wow. This is absolutely beautiful. I love the overall asymmetrical shape, the texture. This is just such a cute pixie style. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So here we have someone with this gorgeous copper colored hair. Looks like the stylist is doing a pixie for this one. Oh, wow. This is such a cute pixie hairstyle. It has a nice layered choppy texture to it. Things to frame out the face. But I think what I love most about this cut is that copper color. Such a pretty hair shade. Now, as always, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone with long waist length hair. Oh, she actually ended up getting a beautiful hair dye transformation. Money piece highlights going there in the front. Beautiful ombre color. Very pretty. Now this is a great way to kind of shake up some boring, dull strands, getting a new color. So beautiful. Next up, we have someone with a pixie. Now she's got like a nice little burgundy hair color here. Stylist does a nice cut refresh. That burgundy wine color is so pretty, and he did a nice asymmetrical pixie look here. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at that, longer bangs on the front. Very cute style. Next up, we have someone with mid-length hair. Looks like the stylist might be doing a bob haircut for this one. Ooh, gorgeous bob hairstyle. He did a nice wavy texture here, creating a tousled effect. Very cute. And then we move on to our last hair transformation for today. So she starts off with a split dye hair here. This is still a very popular hair trend as we continue to enter in 2024. And it looks like she might be going red for this hair change. So there is the before. And there is the after. I love the results. And she paired it with this beautiful pop of red on the lip. She still has the two-toned split dye color. So cute. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.